So now what should a company do or an organization do to prevent the work stress or the workload that has been on the employee, to avoid the burnout that has been on the employee?
I think organizations can be more organized.
Yeah.
Literally, they should follow the term,
Yeah.
which means they should have clear goals, clear deadlines, less repetition of work, less overlap of work. I think that's the first thing that the management can do. A lot of times things just randomly pop up.
Yeah.
The more you can reduce randomness, the better it is. I'm not saying it will go away, but managers can be slightly more organized when it comes to planning their projects. I think that's first thing. Second is the companies can have regular check-in with the employees, which means the managers or the HR department have to regularly go and talk to the employees, check in how they are doing, how they are not doing. One of the very interesting things I have observed in my workshops is when I do a check-in, there's a spectrum of moods. One employee may be going through a very harsh day, another employee could be going through the best day of their life. And when you check in with them, you get to know what's happening, right? तो पर जो negatives उससे गुजर रहा है वो आके खुद बोलता नहीं है ना. So one of the things that management can do is just check in with the employees regularly. Are you doing okay? Not doing okay? Third thing I can do is that they can create some systems around health as well, like physical health. So especially when it comes to youngsters, a lot of companies these days have sports events where youngsters go and play cricket or football. I think encouraging good physical health is a must for all companies. Again, 220 minutes per week is what CDC says. So that's the third bit that they can do. Fourth is they can provide some level of reimbursement for people who are not comfortable seeking therapy inside the company. They can go outside, get the money reimbursed. In fact, best model ही companies का ये होता है कि they have a mix. They have a psychologist on board also, and they give you reimbursement for going outside also. तो आप बाहर से जाके ले लो अगर आपको अंदर से थेरेपी नहीं लेनी तो. You go outside, get therapy, come back, reimburse the money. I think that's another thing that companies can do.